I've said the Brexit thing is the gift that keeps on giving. Hi, Forex Fortune Hunters, it's Tom Wilmot, and today we'll show you how we made 200 pips on the gbp.jpy, that pound-yen pair, with Brexit news, using our template from Metatrader, Super GMMA 3. It happened in less time than it will take to process this video for YouTube, so hold on to your hats. We'll get started right after this. Okay, Fortune Hunters, this isn't going to take long. We're using a 5-minute pound-yen chart. It's, let's see, the 17th of October. I'm just waking up here. The 17th of October, and we've got our Super GMMA template up on the wall. Here's your opening of the London Exchange, 3 a.m. in the Boston, New York area. Here's our RSI. Here's our Zealander signal fly trap trading system signal line. Here's the up line. Here's the arrow that says we're making a move. I've also got a little bit of that Japanese indicator on the wall here. Too sleepy to remember the name right now. Anyway, 5-minute chart. So we've got an uptick, and then we've got a pull back into the bands. We've got a half hour when you can just sit on it right here waiting for the explosion higher, and sure enough, off we go to the races. 208 pips. So you take your money and run. Now we've come into the U.S. session and we had a reversal, maybe some kind of a situation that looks like Brexit isn't going to happen after all, and down we go. So we've got complete control over the markets here. That's 108 pips to the downside before we stabilize back at ground zero. All of these indicators are on a Dropbox file that I'll be happy to share with you. There will be a link in the description of this video below. Feel free to click on that link and it will take you to fxfortunehunter.com, where you can sign up to get those free indicators from Dropbox. I hope this video helps. I hope that you have tremendous success with your Forex trading. Please like our videos if they're helpful to you. Please comment if you have any questions. And also, don't forget the amazing Zealander flytrap Forex trading strategy over on Amazon Kindle. A big price, $3.99. And if you give us a fair review, we'll be happy to send you a PDF of the whole book. So have a great day, guys. Let's get some pips.